How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, we all love customizing our Android phone and one of the easiest way to do it is by changing the wallpaper. With that being said, today we will be taking a look at 5 incredible wallpaper applications that will definitely level up your customization game. As always, I will be giving away some promo codes in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, the first app on this list goes by the name called Nothing But Walls. It's a new wallpaper app that has a really good collection of unique wallpapers made with hand-picked colors, and they just look beautiful on your home screen. Not only the collection is great, but the UI is really simple and clean with no ads. You get all the popular wallpapers in the first page, and if you click on this icon, you get different categories such as vibrant, pastel, AMOLED, minimal, abstract and more. The best part is all these amazing wallpapers are absolutely free, and I'm pretty sure you are not going to find them anywhere else. For the price of free, I will highly recommend you to download it from the link in the description below. Next up, we have a brand new wallpaper application that I recently came across, and it has become one of my favorite when it comes to AMOLED wallpapers. Well, there are plenty of apps that comes with a huge collection of dark AMOLED wallpapers, but Wallper is the only one which I think has one of the unique collection when it comes to dark wallpapers. Additionally, the UI of this app is really good, where you get some of the best wallpapers in the front page, and there are 7 different categories of wallpapers that you can choose from. If you like any of this wallpaper, simply swipe up and you get an option either to download or set it directly on your home screen. All in all, it's a great app which is absolutely free in the Play Store, and if you have a device with an AMOLED screen, then it's a must-have application for you. Guys, before I move on, if you love watching these kind of videos, then please do support this channel and help us reach 200k subscribers. So if you haven't already, then smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. It would mean a lot to me. If you really want to try something different, then Pika Super Wallpapers is a great app for you. This app has got some beautiful 3D animated wallpapers that will definitely spice up your customization game. Once you open up the application, you get different kinds of animated wallpapers that not only you can apply to your home screen, but you also get different animation for your lock screen as well. The best part is, once you apply the wallpaper, you also get a brand new charging animation which looks great. Now some of these wallpapers are free, but you really want to download the popular ones, then you need to unlock them by purchasing coins, or you can simply watch an ad. Apart from these animated wallpapers, the app also offers a decent collection of static and live wallpapers as well. Basically, you get everything inside this single application, and guess what? It is totally free to download, so definitely give it a try. Alright, next up we got an application called Volcanic Walls. This is a really good wallpaper app which has a lot of minimal style wallpapers inspired from Android 12 and Pixel design. All these wallpapers that you see in this application are exclusive handmade wallpapers, something that not a lot of people using, so you need some unique wallpapers for your home screen, then this is an app that you should consider. I think these walls would be an excellent choice for making some creative home screen setups on your phone, and I absolutely love the UI of this app. It feels smooth and the animations looks great. Now it's the only paid application that we have on this list, but I do have 20 promo codes. To win one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Well, if you're not comfortable downloading third-party apps just to find some good wallpapers for your Android phone, then you can join our Telegram channel where I upload some beautiful wallpapers for your home screen, and you can also get a chance to win some promo codes as well. We have already crossed 30,000 subscribers, so if you haven't already, then do join our Telegram channel. I will make sure to drop a direct link in the description below. Finally, if you're looking for an all-round wallpaper app, then Wallspy is an application to go with. It's got everything you can think of when it comes to wallpaper. Basically, you get a huge collection of wallpapers, and I'm sure you will definitely find a wallpaper that suits your taste in Wallspy. If I just go to categories, you see it comes with more than 30 different categories that you can choose from, and also you can search wallpapers based on different colors. Apart from this, the app even provides stock wallpapers from all different brands as well. I think it's a one-stop shop for you when it comes to finding some wallpapers for your phone, and for the price of free, it's a must-have application that fulfills all your wallpaper needs. So that's it for this video. These are some amazing wallpaper apps that you should definitely download on your Android phone. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.